like it there? Do you want it over here? Put it right there. There you go. Oh. You can put it. Yes, you're making a poop. Put it right there. You just put like 6 of them on there. Now this one you can't decide where you're going to put it. Yay! Good girl. Here, you want another one? Put it on the tree. Mm-hmm. Yay! Good girl. And put another one on the tree? Yeah. Here, put this one on the tree. Got it? Yeah. Yay! Good girl. I see you like that one spot a lot. Here, you ready? Here, put this one on. Put it on the tree. Yeah, anywhere you want. That's your favorite spot to put it, apparently.
Simone. Simone.
Here, you want to put this one on? Here you go. Put it on the tree. You like that ball. Careful, don't pull it.
Simone.